Hey guys, so today I want to talk about 5 simple digital products that you can start selling in your 40s. So, are you ready to turn your years of experience into a thriving digital product business? Hi guys, I'm Rockell and I bring you the tools you need to make that money online. Okay, so today we're going to talk about 5 simple digital products you can start selling now, okay, so that you can start making that money. Okay, so our first digital product is the trusty ebook. Yes, now I know what you're thinking, right? Me write a book? Absolutely. You've got decades of knowledge just waiting to be shared, guys. Keep that in mind. Okay, so for example, let's say you spent years perfecting your gardening, okay, or you're a farmer, right? Why not write an ebook called A Guide to Stress-Free Gardening, right? There you can cover easy to maintain plants, okay? You have seasonal gardening tips and simple landscaping ideas. So these are some pretty good ideas that you can probably, put into your ebooks, okay? Let us look at how to create an ebook. So first of all, we have our topic. So you brainstorm your topic. Then you write your content using Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Okay. And then you want to look at some simple design tool. For example, Canva to design your ebook. Okay. And then you convert your ebook into a PDF file, right? So you use Canva or Microsoft Word to combine your ebook with the cover, make it everything look nice, and you turn that into a PDF file. Okay, and then you can sell that on Amazon Kindle or direct publishing. Then you can set up an account on Amazon Kindle direct publishing, right? Or you can even sell on Payhip or sell, on your own store. So you have a wide variety of choices of places where you can easily sell your own ebook. All right. And you see, guys, just like that, now that your ebook is created, just like that, you have created your first ebook. If this seems, a bit overwhelming, don't worry. There are easier ways to get it done without the headache. Okay, guys? So I do offer one-on-one consulting, right? So you can probably, book that with me in the link below. So next we have online courses. So you can think about all those skills you've gained over the years. It's time to share. It's time to share these skills, guys, with the world. Okay? So for example, if you've navigated corporate life successfully, why not create a course on how to thrive in your career with your family? So you can cover topics like balancing work and home life, time management strategies, and tips for advancing in your career while raising your family. I think that's a pretty good topic. You don't think so? So, how to create your course? Of course, let us look at the outline. You outline your course content. We have your topic. You don't need to be a pro. You don't need to work in it. All you need to be is better than most people. Okay? So you record your simple videos using your smartphones, nothing fancy, just your smartphone. Then you create supporting materials like a checklist or worksheet, and all that can be done with Google Doc or in Microsoft Word. Okay? So then, in order to sell your product, your course, you can sign up with platforms like Teachable, Udemy, Payhip, System. I will do a video on System soon. And you upload your course and you set your price. Boom. Right? It's that easy. You're now an online instructor teaching valuable skills, guys. See how easy that was? Don't worry. Again, if you need help, you know where to find me. Number 3, we have templates. So templates are a fantastic way to package your organizational skills into a product. Yes. So, for example, have you perfected your family budgeting over the past years? So you can turn that into a family budget mastery template with monthly expense trackers, savings goal, and debt repayment plan. So people love ready-made solutions, guys. So this, I think, would be perfect for you, right? So let us look at how to create the templates. So first, we identify the process, right, that you've mastered, whether it's budgeting, meal planning, etc. And you can create that using Excel or Google Sheets. And then you write a simple guide, right, to help your customers use the template effectively. Okay, so next you'll save that as a PDF or keep it as a spreadsheet, right? And now it's time to sell. So you set up shop either on Etsy or you sell on your own website. So just like that, you turn your everyday life skills into a valuable product, right? And I know a lot of people would definitely want something like that, especially me. And next we have printables. So printables are the cousins of templates, basically simple, useful, and easy to create. So for example, if you're great at staying organized, why not create a life organizer pack, right? So that includes to-do lists, meal planners, and goal setting sheets. So busy parents will love having these ready to print resources. Trust me, I know. I am that busy parent. So let us look at how to make your printables, okay? So you decide on what printable you want to do. Okay, whether it's a planner or check sheet, or you can do all. So you design that using Canva, templates, or even Microsoft Word or Google Docs. And then you save that as a PDF. You set up your shop on Etsy or Payhip and you list your product there to sell. See? And there you have it. You're now a digital designer offering ready to use tools to busy parents. See how easy that was? And next we have digital consulting. So guys, so for example, if you've changed your career successfully, right, you can offer career transition coaching, right? So you could provide personalized advice, you can help with resume building, and give tips on how to network effectively in a new industry. So how you can easily get started with the consulting business. First of all, let us define your area. Let us pick an area that you would like to help persons with. You can set up a simple website. I'll talk more about the website in future videos. And you can create a service package, for example, 30-minute session for resume reviews, etc. Then you can set up a scheduling tool so that persons can make the payment and schedule that 30 minutes with you. Okay, and you can use Calendly for that, right? See how easy it is? Then you can start promoting your consulting services on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere you would like. Okay, and voila, congratulations, you're now a digital consultant helping others navigate their careers. All right, so guys, the beauty of these products is that you don't need to be a tech wizard to create them. So most of what you need, you already know how to use. For example, word processors like Microsoft Word or Google Docs for ebooks and templates. Then you have spreadsheets software like Excel or Google Sheets for budgeting templates. Then you have your smartphone to create simple videos. And in order to do video conferencing, you can use Zoom. Of course, there are others, but Zoom is probably the most popular and easy to use. Okay. And of course, you have Google. I can't remember the name, but anyway, I put it up there. So guys, remember, your knowledge is your product. Okay, it's your product. So the tech is just the delivery. Don't be afraid of it. All right. So guys, it's not about being the most tech savvy person out there, right? It's about sharing valuable experience and knowledge. Your life experience is the biggest assets. So use it. Okay. So don't let age hold you back. The digital world needs your wisdom. I'm telling you, it needs your wisdom. And now you have 5 simple ways to share it. So guys, if you are ready to get started with your digital product business, I've got something special for you. Download my free digital product starter guide by clicking the link in the description below. Okay, so it's an easy to follow roadmap that will help you create your very first product. And if you want personalized guidance, don't forget to book a one-on-one consultation call with me. The link is also below. I will also put that as on discount. Okay, I will also give you a discount for that. So when you check and you sign up, you will see the discount. Okay, so remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. So let us turn those years into experience into your next big adventure. So if you want to know how you can speed up your ebook creation using AI, just watch this video right here. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.